Let's meet the youngest bodybuilder in China, Cheng Yihan. Known as Chinese mass monster, he has massive body with excellent definition of muscles and form. He looks damn muscular, every muscle of his body is in perfect shape with zero fats. His physique is amazing. He is a magnificent hunk that one would like to worship his physique. His chest is out of this world. His chest peaks are huge like a gorilla's chest. His height is 175 cm. His body weight during the season is 98 kg and 112 kg in the off season. His daily diet has high proteins with very low carbohydrates. His body fat is surprisingly low. Born in 1993, he is currently 30 years old. He devoted himself to the sports. He started playing table tennis at the age of 4 and by the age of 16 he won National Youth Championship. Then he got injured. After his injury, he left the career, but after some time he realized that healthy body is everything. Then he joined the gym and started taking care of his body, and now he is entirely into bodybuilding profession. He got love and appreciation for his physique from the whole world. He is a massive hulk of a man. Chinese admire him as the youngest bodybuilder and inspiration for many other youngsters. He is simply incredible. He is one of the world-class bodybuilders. His training intensity is like no one can do it except him. There is no doubt that he is extremely talented. He won 2017 bodybuilding championship. In 2018, he stood up runner in the Olympia bodybuilding championship. He also won Beijing Olympia championship. He is an uncrowned king in the world of bodybuilding. Like every successful person, he also faced many difficulties. But he never gave up and his hard work really paid off, as now he is called China's mass monster. One cannot get their eyes off his body. He is the best example of dedication and hard work. He is still so young and there is a lot to come in the future for this Chinese mass monster. We hope he is going to have an amazing journey. So that's all for today's video. If you're new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay motivated and fit.